creating an account, applying verification documents, and then deposit. So those who are like eligible for the draw, and those are, let me share my screen real quick. Okay, fantastic. So we've got Igor, Kernel, Richmond, Alan, DGCA, and Eri. Okay, so we'll shuffle the names as usual, and then we'll select one winner. For now, let's start with our 5 rules.
You finish it?
Now, just doing one more color and I'm going to use it.
Okay, fantastic. Let's do it. Here's our PowerPoint. Okay, so the 5 golden rules for trading that every trader should apply. Let's check the chat. Okay, hello Saeed, hello Bello, Tim, John. Fantastic, fantastic. Okay, so feel free to ask any questions in the chat of Zoom. So if you are watching on YouTube now, you have to go to Zoom, simply go to Telegram, search for the Signalist, which is our channel, and then you'll find the Zoom link. There you can ask questions, okay? Because on YouTube, you can't find a comment section because we are going live from Zoom to YouTube, okay? So let's do it. The 5 golden rules for trading are for those who haven't watched my previous videos yet. So only invest money you can afford to lose. We all know this old story. So we've got this story.
По виду, конечно, мекс какой-то.
I'll mute you guys real quick to finish the 5 golden rules. Okay, so only investment you can afford to lose. You see it on all like brokers. Everyone is telling it to you, but like I can't help you with it. If you invest money, you can't afford to lose, right? So it's very, very important to only invest money you can afford to lose, like that you don't need to pay the bills with, you don't need like to pay for anything with. Okay, so let's say like you are going on a vacation, you didn't go for it, then you invest this money in your account. The second rule is we enter with a fixed risk per trade. We don't enter with fixed lots. We don't like count pips. Okay, it's very, very important. Professional traders enter with fixed risk per trade. Okay, so all the trades should have the same effect, the same weight on your account. Let's say that like you enter a buy on Euro USD with like the stop loss is 50 pips. Of course, you have to use stop loss. If you don't use stop loss, then all these rules like you can't really apply them. Okay, I'll tell you why in a bit. So you have your stop loss, and your stop loss should be like in a technical way. Okay, so don't like go for random like number of pips, right? So I know some traders who go for like 15 pips fixed stop loss and pips, which is not the right way to do it, because like it depends on the market conditions, right? So sometimes 15 pips would look like this on the chart, sometimes would look like this, especially like for example on GBP USD 15 pips is a very, very small movement. However, on AUD USD it's a big movement. Okay, so don't go for fixed pips. Of course, place your stop loss. It should be in a way that your trade is no longer valid. Okay, and which is like the most basic rule is if you are entering a buy, your stop loss should go below the previous low, right? And if you're entering a sell, vice versa, your stop loss would be above the previous high. Okay, now you know where you place your stop loss. Okay, you know where is your technical stop loss, where your trade is no longer valid, then you have to be out of the market, right? So this is where you should place your stop loss. Now you calculate your position size. You go to simply to MyFX book, right? You go to the website, search for the position size calculator, and then you can calculate. It depends on how many pips size the stop loss is. Then you can enter with the appropriate lot size for it to be equal to 1% risk of your account. Okay, so like it shouldn't it shouldn't be 1%. But I personally enter with 1%. You can go for 2% or 3% max. Okay, but fixed risk per trade, like if you enter 2% risk for Euro USD, you should also enter 2% risk for any different trade. Okay, so choose the risk like that suits you best and stick to it. Okay, so 1% risk per trade. If I enter like USD buy with a 10 pips stop loss, I should, if it hits stop loss, I should lose 1% of my account. And if I enter GBP USD sell with 50 pips stop loss, if it hits stop loss, I should also lose only 1%. Okay, so all the trades have the same effect, the same weight on our account. Number 3. Okay, so now the money I don't need, I enter with fixed risk, so I'm emotionally stable. Anyway, we'll talk about emotions and rule number 5. So rule number 3 is we need a technical edge. For example, if you have a channel, okay, so the price is going up, we have a rising channel engulfing the price. If the price is around the upper like trend line, I shouldn't be looking for sell, right? We know that price sometimes go and break the trend line upward and continue trading upward, but I don't have an edge here because price is more likely, we can't really know, right? Is more likely to go down than up. Okay, if the price is around the lower bound, around the lower trend line, then yes, we are overall bullish, making higher highs and higher lows. The correction is about to end, approaching any horizontal support. Then yes, then here I have a technical edge because price is more likely to go up than down. Okay, now if the price is in the middle of the channel, I don't have an edge. So I don't make decisions in the middle of nowhere. So if I have like a horizontal range, support and resistance, right? A horizontal one. If the price is in the middle, I'm not interested in looking for setups. I'm only interested in looking for setups if I have a nudge, which is a sell around the resistance. It can be horizontal or non-horizontal, and a buy around the support, which can be horizontal or non-horizontal. Okay, so we only look for areas, okay, which gives us an edge. That's one. The second technical edge is I don't enter blindly just because I have like it depends on your trading plan. After all, for example, if you for example, if you go if you enter on a moving average cross, right, it's not enough. So entering on one confluence only is not enough. We always enter when we have 3 things at least lined up together telling us that now we should look for a buy. For example, we have a support, we have a trend line, we have a double bottom pattern. Okay, so look for 3 clues. And it depends on you, on your trading plan, what clues you are following. Okay, no matter which clues, okay, but you have to look for at least 2, right? But like as per my trading style, I always go for 3 confluences to confirm that now I have an edge. Okay, so these are the 2 things for the technical edge. Now for the risk management edge, right? So our first edge is technical. The second one is through risk management, which is very, very obvious, like you all know it, right? So I enter with 1% risk per trade. My reward is always is always at least double our risk, right? So like which we call R. Okay, so if I'm risking 1R, it can be 1%, 2%, like depends on you, how much you're risking per trade. So 1% risk, our reward is always 2R, which is in our case 2%. Okay, so this way, if you enter 10 trades, even if you have a 50% win rate only, right? In this case, if you lose 5, you win 5. The 5 that you lost, you've lost 5 times 1%, so you've lost 5%. While the 5 that you won, right? Okay, so you have to make it times 2. So 5 times 2 equals 10%. So even though you are wrong, like 50% of the time, you are still like your account is still growing in a steady, healthy manner. Okay, so like it doesn't matter the win rate. When you think about win rate, okay, you have to think about also the risk to reward ratio. Okay, so like even like if you win like 9 out of 10 trades, right? But that one trade that you've lost, okay, it can be like that big, which wipe out all your profits. Okay, so fixed risk, fixed reward, which is double or triple, only depends on your trading style. Okay, so that's your risk management edge. The rule number 5, which is very, very important. And the reason why it's not rule number 5, because like it's connected to all the previous ones. So emotional stability. So first of all, you have 2 types of emotions: the human emotions, right? And then second you've got the trading emotions. First, of course, like I can't help you with the human emotions, right? So like for example, if you if you are a student and you have an exam next week, Okay, so we can simply take a break from trading. Like if something is going on in your life right now, which requires a lot of effort and attention from you, simply take a break from trading. You don't need to trade every week. You don't need to catch every trade. Okay, always remember that. So that's first. That's about the human emotions, which I can't really help you with. But regarding the trading emotions, okay, so it's very important, and like if you apply all these rules, okay, so like you will be emotionally stable when it comes to trading. Why? Because first, the money, like you can't afford to lose. Okay, so if you lose all your accounts, which I doubt that you will do if you are risking 1%, because you will have to lose 100 trades in a row, which is very less likely to happen, right? But anyway, okay, so like anyway, so you don't need your account. You don't need your account to survive. Okay, so this is why you are emotionally stable, because like you don't really care. Of course you care, you want to make money, but if you lose it, it won't affect your life. Second, now, like if you find yourself watching your trades, like if you're not sleeping at night, okay, chances are that you are investing money you can't afford to lose, or you are investing money you can afford to lose, but you are risking like 10% per trade. Of course you'll get emotional, and you will watch your trade every single minute, right? So this is very important. So these 4 rules will help you be emotionally stable. So this is very important also, the technical edge. So when you are entering a trade, you know that you've done your homework, right? So for example, like for those who enter trades and don't know why, of course, like they will get emotional because they don't know why they enter in the first place. But if you prepared your homework, and of course, like it requires a trading plan that you already back tested and blah 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 blah. Anyway, let's keep it simple for now. So like the technical edge is very important because it also will help you be less emotional, because you've done your homework, you've entered, because you've got 3 reasons and not only one reason. Okay, so like a reason will help your heart stay calm. Okay, so number 4, risk management edge. Okay, so I'm risking 1% per trade, I'm fine, but like even if I lose, I don't mind, because it's only 1%. It's only one trade in a series of trades. Second, it's fine, because like if I lose this one, if I win the next one, it will cover the previous loss, and then also won an extra 1%. Okay, so this is also important. It will make you to help you be emotionally stable. Okay, so these 5 rules, if you don't have them, okay, so now if you want like to play a game, okay, if you remove one rule only from these 5 rules, okay, you won't be able to as a trader. Of course, like you can win for 1 week, 2 weeks, but like I'm referring to a long-term successful trader. You have to have these 5 rules, because like if you have these 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, but the money the money you can't afford to lose, of course, you get emotional and you won't follow your trading plan. You risk more than 1%, and so on. Now, if you have the 1, 3, 4, 5, but you remove the 2, okay, so your money that you can afford to lose, but you're entering with 10% per trade, right? And even if you have a technical edge and risk management edge, but you'll get emotional because 10% is a lot for one single trade, right? It will affect your account a lot. You get emotional and you will not follow your risk management and blah, blah, blah. Okay, so you have the 1, 2, 4, 5, right? Your money you don't need, 1% per trade, risk management edge, right? So you have your risk to reward is good, but your win rate is not good because you don't have a technical edge. Okay, so even if you have all these and you're emotionally stable and blah, 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 but you don't have a technical edge, so you're not making it as a trader. Now, let's remove 4. 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay, so you have a technical edge, but your risk to reward is bad. So like one loss is wiping out like 5 profits. Okay, so of course you'll also not make it as a trader. Okay, and we've covered the number 5 first, like when you remove number 5. Okay, so that's basically it for the 5 rules of trading. You have it's very, very simple, but like us human would like to complicate things, because like we believe that if we complicate things, like it will lead to better results. It's very simple. Find a strategy with a technical edge, and of course apply 1% fixed risk per trade, risk management edge, and of course, like 1 and 5, I can't really help you with. Okay, but like these 3 are very important. Of course, 1 and 5, and you will be fine. Okay, so that's basically it. Okay, so we are done with our PowerPoint. Let's stop. If you have any questions about what we've covered so far, let me know. And next, hopefully, we'll go for the draw. Okay, so let me share my screen for the draw. Where is it? Okay, fantastic. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know in the chat. I'll take a little break because like I've been talking for 10 minutes straight. Fantastic. Okay, I'll just wait for one moment in case like someone is typing. Okay, Matthias, hope you're doing good. Fantastic. Okay, so let's move forward. I want to join the draw. Okay, okay, Mario, I'm sorry if like you find about the draw too late. Like I've been posting about it like 2 weeks ago. Like I'm not really sure if you applied for the draw just like everyone else did. You have to make an account in Tickmill and under my referral link, and then write the documents, and then okay, someone's asking, we've got Desmond, what's the place of doing range trading, basically layering your trade that everything closes in profit? Someone said that there are many more ranges than trade in the Forex market. Okay, let me think about it for a while, because it's a long text. Okay, making noises, I'll mute you guys, okay. Okay, so let me read your question slowly this time. What's the best place of doing range trading and basically layering your trades, everything close and profit? Okay, so like what you mean is like I don't know how to say it. Okay, so like you want to enter a buy, and then when price goes down, you do like hedging, right? For example, or like grid hedging, something like that. So enter a buy, sell, and then you close them all. Right? Okay, if this is what you mean, I don't recommend it at all. Like as we mentioned previously, you have to enter with a fixed risk per trade. One trade per currency pair and one direction only. So if I'm entering a buy on USD, this is the only trade I'm entering on USD. Okay, so I have to wait for the result of it. Okay, if it hits take profit or stop loss, then I will be looking for new setups that meets the rules as per my trading plan, and then I will be entering like a different trades, whether it's a buy or a sell. Okay, so only one trade per currency pair and one direction only per currency pair. Okay, so hope I answered your question. If this is your question, okay. Now, like for those. Okay, you're more than welcome. Fantastic. Okay, so for those who asked me, like who asked me about Tickmill, the draw is you have to make an account on Tickmill. Tickmill is established in 2014 and is one of the leading Forex and CFD brokers, and it has more than it has users from more than 200 different countries. Okay, Tickmill, of course, is a no dealing desk, and like I don't like dealing desk. Okay, so it's a no dealing desk, and of course ECN broker. It's regulated in many countries, as you can see here. You have UK, in Europe, because like it has CySec on Asia, and recently in South Africa. Okay, so UK, Cyprus, and South Africa, and you can trade a wide range of surfaces, wide range of instruments. Which of course you can trade Forex, indices, commodities, and even like lately crypto. You can trade the major crypto instruments with very low spreads and trading fees. Okay, if you don't have an account, I'll make sure to include my referral links also in the description of this video. And if you get one using my referral link, you'll get 5% discount on your trading fees. Okay, so that's it. Last but not least, let's do our draw and select one winner. As usual, let's do shuffle, 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 and here we go. When I press this one, the winner will get a HCL lifetime license, which you can find here. Okay, so you can go to the website and you can check the HCL lifetime license, which includes a full course from A to Z, which includes everything you need to know about trading. Okay, this is first. Second, you will get a group where you can post your charts for review and ask and discuss ask questions and discuss setups with the members in the group. And last but not least, you'll get access to a channel where I post my personal weekly overview. So you learn in a practical way. There are not signals to follow blindly. Okay, so I don't send signals. I never did, I never do, and I will never will. Okay, so if you want to learn in a practical way, you get a full course, a group for questions, and access to my trading, to my weekly analysis. Then you are welcome to our family. Okay, so let's click on start and let's see who won the HCL lifetime license. Fantastic, Alain. Fantastic. I'm not sure if he is now here. Okay, let me check real quick. Okay, I can't really find you here unless your name is different in the chat. But anyway, I'll reach you out from Telegram where you applied, and I'll give you access to everything. Okay. So for those who have any questions, we still have like a couple of minutes. Let me copy this one. Copy this link and let me paste it, save it on my backend. Fantastic. Okay, so we still have like a couple of minutes. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask it in the chat, and I'll be more than happy to answer it. Okay, so we have Sang said you're the best. Keep it up. Thank you, Sang. Hope to see you in our family soon. Lior, thank you very much for the video. You are more than welcome, Lior. If you have any questions, guys, like if you didn't if you're watching this video later on, or like you couldn't type it here, like feel free to text me on Instagram, on Telegram, or wherever like you find me. Feel free to ask me there. Okay. Janardono, right? I hope I'm pronouncing your name right. Okay, so like amazing. So we got Nana and John. Nana and John are already members in our family. So hope you're doing good, Nana and John. I'm happy that you made it here today. Fantastic. Okay, so this is it. I'll wait for 1 minute in case someone is typing a long question, because I like long questions. So let's see it. Okay. So we have Jack turning on his video. Hello, Jack. Hope you're doing good. Okay, I'm not sure if you can hear me. Okay, so we all have a question. What's your take on new traders copying exactly the trade of professional traders while learning the trade themselves? I don't recommend it at all. As I always say, the only way to make money in trading is to learn how to trade by yourself and be in full control of your account. Okay, I'll repeat it one more time. The only way to make money in trading is to trade by yourself and to be in full control of your account. Don't follow signals. Don't never ever give your account to anyone. Okay, and never ever be dependent on someone else to make money. Okay. Okay, hope I answered your question. And okay, I'll just wait one more minute. Okay, so we've got Mir Siu. I don't know if I said it correctly. Okay, hello. Do you have any questions? So your point is not using signals. Exactly. Okay. Never ever follow anyone blindly. Of course, like you can check someone else like setups, but don't follow it blindly. You have to have your own trading plan that you already back tested. Okay, and you follow it and don't follow anyone else. Okay, so like don't enter a buy like on USD like because someone else, a friend, a professional, like I don't know who, like posted a buy. Okay, never ever do it. Only do what your trading plan says. Okay, fantastic. I'll wait for 1 more minute because I know someone is typing, and we still have many members already live. So I assume that someone is typing. So let's wait for it, and I'll take a sip. Okay. We've got Sami, Peter, Talhumi, Tim, Nana, Muhammad, Giordano, of course, Jack, Garnell, Amind, right? Hope it is correct. Bello, Di Bella, Rich, right? Fantastic. Okay, so this is basically it. Like for those who are trying to type a question or anything, I'm sorry if like I'll stop. I'll stop the video here while you are typing. You are not my member with Richard. Okay, Tim, you are more than welcome. Okay, so like Nana is saying, just want to say if you are not a member yet with Richard, you are missing you are missing a lot. Thank you so much, Lala, and I'm really happy to have you on board. Okay, fantastic, Rich. Okay, so that's basically it, guys. I'm very like it was happy talking to you today, and like congrats to Alain. I'll talk to you in private. If you have any questions, like feel free to text me. You already know where to find me on Telegram or on Instagram or wherever you would like to catch me. Okay, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.